will demonstrate burden stitch. Can see this unstitched pattern here. There are 6 vertical lines above. Can stitch alternating like this. Let me demonstrate. This pattern needs 2 threads. Here I use 2 shades of green thread for embroidery. Stitched contrast effect will be more obvious. First come up at end of right line. Take down at about 1/3 position of second row. Stitch 1 back stitch. Come up forward at about same length. Then return and take down. Stitch 1 stitch. This is somewhat like backstitch method. Continue forward and come up. Stitch 1 stitch back. Remaining come up directly at end. Return and take down. Stitch 1 short stitch. After stitching 1 row, continue stitch another row. Make it look less monotonous. Second row can stitch according to first row specifications. Take down below same length stitch above. Come up. Stitch another layer of same length. Will look more full. Note when stitching second layer, must be same length as first layer. This way, stitch top and bottom layers are symmetrical. After stitching 2 layers, can change to another color. Make colors more rich. When stitching second layer, stitches should interlace with first layer. For example here, if here stitched long stitch, last stitched short stitch, then second layer can reverse. Here first stitch short stitch. Later here stitch long stitch. This way makes stitches interlace. Again come up at right here. First stitch 1 small stitch. Come up at 1/3 position of third row. Return and take down. Again forward same length distance and come up. Return and take down. Come up. Again return and take down. Note when stitching third row, must be close to second row. Each row must be close to previous row. Stitched lines will be tight. Presented effect will look good. Take down. Let's see the stitched effect. Rows 1 and 2 are complete. Following this operation method, also stitch remaining ones. Third row change to dark color above. If you want to add other colors, that's also fine. That will make colors more rich. Third row again, come up at right. Must stitch according to first row base length. Final presented texture will be like this side. Third layer is complete. Next stitch, fourth layer. Same as second layer. We match second layer color for embroidery. Come up. Take down. If don't want to stitch row by row, can also stitch 2 rows together, but this way must ensure top and bottom row entries are consistent. Cannot be one long, one short. Final presented effect very unattractive. This stitch can create exquisite details. Very suitable for expressing complex woven patterns. Very suitable for some large area filling. Can stitch exquisite textures. Take down. Let's see the finished effect.